Hi friends, today we have an interesting review on Smartli AI. This is a modern platform that helps to create high-quality product descriptions, blog posts, advertising texts, and much more in just a few seconds. The site is aimed at entrepreneurs, marketers, copywriters, and anyone who wants to create content quickly and easily. On Smartli AI, you can use many tools such as product description, generator, blog generator, ad generator, logo generator, video editor, character generator, and even a text generator for TikTok. All content is SEO optimized, which is especially important for e-commerce and online promotion. Now let's talk about pricing. Users can start absolutely free, sign up for $0 and get access to basic features. However, for advanced features, there are tariffs. For example, the Pro tariff costs $29 per month. If you pay for a year, the cost drops to $24 per month. There is also the Unicorn tariff for $299 per month or $79 if you pay for a year. All tariffs include unlimited projects and high-level support. As for the pros of Smartli AI, it is ease of use, large selection of tools, fast text creation, excellent optimization for SEO, and affordable prices. Minuses are few, but one of them in the free version. Not all features are available, although for a start, it is quite sufficient. Thousands of users have already registered on Smartli AI, among them Shopify store owners, bloggers, content makers, and marketers. Feedback is mostly positive. Users say that with Smartli AI, they save hours of work and significantly increase the quality of content. If you like this video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new interesting reviews. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.